Hello, water managers. My name is Simon Evans, part of the Water Management Systems Division at the Hydrologic Engineering Center. I'm going to be presenting the lecture on forecasting with ensembles in SWMS, part of the SWMS Prospect course. This is the second part of 3 videos on this topic, and in this video we will be covering the CAVI Ensemble compute. In the first part of this lecture, we discussed sources of ensemble time series forecasts. And in this video, we are going to go through a few ways water managers can incorporate ensemble products into their daily SWMS forecasts. One way to do this is to add an HEC-ResSim ensemble alternative to the SWMS forecast run. Ensemble flow time series, such as from the RFCs, can be brought into the DSS format as collections. Collections are the way that DSS recognizes a series of time series are ensemble members for the same location. An ensemble collection can be used as the reservoir inflow ensemble for a ResSim ensemble alternative. ResSim then treats each ensemble member as a separate compute and then generates an ensemble of computed reservoir outflows. This plot is an example of the output of an ensemble ResSim alternative. On the top half of the plot is an ensemble of reservoir elevations, with each blue line representing a separate ensemble member. And the bottom half is the ensemble of the reservoir releases. Another way to incorporate ensembles into SWMS is through the CAVI Ensemble compute. This is a separate type of forecast run, where the CAVI treats each ensemble trace as an isolated compute through the entire program order for that forecast run. So for example, if you had 40 ensemble members, the CAVI would generate 40 separate subfolders within the forecast. Then it would compute each ensemble member like it's its own forecast. So this can get pretty time intensive pretty quickly if you had an alternative that goes through ResSim to RAS. You would end up with 40 separate RAS runs, or ResSim to RAS runs. Then after running each of these ensemble forecasts, all of the output is then combined into an overall forecast.dss file, which then can be opened up and the collections can be viewed the output can be viewed as collections. There are a few limitations to this method, including that ensemble input data is only supported from DSS files, so it's not currently able to support directly extracting from the SWMS database. Also, gridded ensembles are not yet supported. Also, there's a lack of dedicated tools for reviewing and analyzing results, and we'll look into a couple of those new options in the next video. This concludes the second part of the forecasting with ensembles in SWMS lecture. If you have questions about our software, need some help, or are looking for additional training, check out these links. They can also be found in the description below. Thank you for your time.